Guys, today I'm bringing you a really interesting NFT project, but before we get into disclaimer,
I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only.
So let's get straight into this. So here you go, guys. It's a Back Crypto World, okay, over at backcryptoworld.com. Now, every coin has two sides, is what they say. You can't have one without the other. Now they're giving you the other side of your coin, the Crypto Punks Back NFT Collection. Now, let's talk about it, all right? The Crypto Punks Back is the first product to come from our collaboration, and it was a huge team effort, resulting in the creation of 10,000 unique views of the backs of CryptoPunks. The completion of this project felt more like a miracle than anything else. We will touch on their socials and Twitter later on. Now, you can see what it looks like, all right? It's the back of CryptoPunks, as simple as it says. So you see a CryptoPunk, this is the back of them. So at the beginning, the concept of the work started with the back of one of the CP, but after realizing how much fun it was to create, they decided to do all 10,000 of them. However, since the heads faced backwards, features were limited in front of them even more. So we faced a massive challenge, all right? And what they did to get this work done, in turn, the challenge led to creation of new features on the use of the back of the head. So the CryptoPunks Back Collection is an upgrade to the traditional CryptoPunks collection, and they are super proud to present this collection to the fans, Decentralized and CryptoPunks NFT Collection. Now let's talk about the roadmap, all right? Q1 of this year, 2023, they launched the whitelist giveaway, launched the CryptoPunks Back NFT Collection, and announced the winners of the design submission. Moving on through Q2, all right, the launch of the CryptoPunks Back NFT trading platform is going to be there, and the multiple marketplaces with the invitation of marketing campaigns, partnership announcements. Q3, we're moving through to introduction of staking, launching of the limited edition collectibles called the Meta Punks Plus. With Q4 and moving through, they got the development of launch of additional NFT collections and continued engagement with the community, hosting events and expanding the reach of the project. Now, guys, talking a little bit about the team, all right, we got the lead designer, Azorik, Zoltan, the strategy advisor, Faisal, the Web3 developer, Red Mamba, marketing community manager, and HyperX, the marketing community manager. You can simply click here on their Twitter, all right, and go and research them yourselves. But it is the result of hard work and creativity from these individuals plus the rest of the team, all right? The dedication to attention and all is fantastic. Let's have a look at their Twitter. So their Twitter is at Back Crypto World, all right? They have 431 followers right now, and I do see this vamping up. We are super early. So, all right, give me a huge follow and get on their Twitter and have a look, all right? It's a free main crypto punk back. Okay, that's what they're saying, whitelist, all right? Get involved here. That's what you got to do, all right? Go on their Twitter and have a look at how you can get involved with the community. Now, back onto the website. If you want to talk about the mint and the whitelist, all right, what you want to do is click on the whitelist button. It's going to come up with this video that will explain to you everything to do with the whitelist inside of the Discord. All right, it's really easy, and it has everything you need in there: the mint, the whitelist, the supply, everything that's coming soon. Again, guys, we are super early on this project, all right? So that's what you're going to do. If you look at their Instagram, all right, you can actually start to see some of the NFTs on there. On their Instagram, they have 2,034 followers. Give them a massive follow. It's Meta Punks Plus. All right, guys, this is why I'm so impressed with this project. So, guys, what they are doing is running a contest right now, okay? You're just going to join the art contest. So if you're interested with the passion for NFTs, all right, show off your skills, winning prizes in the CryptoPunks Back Art Contest. All you gotta do is submit your unique artwork based on the collection on the Discord server starting from the 1st of March, and don't miss this chance to shine, guys. This could be an easy way to get yourself some crypto, okay? So if you're an artist with some crazy passion, right, all you gotta do is submit your unique creations on their collections via their Discord, all right? The link should be below this video. Now, the top 3 entries that do this are going to get given prizes. So number one, if you're in 3rd place, okay, you're actually going to get given $20. Now, if you're in 2nd place, number 2, you're going to get $30. But if you're in 1st place, okay, number 1 place, if you're in 1st place, you are going to get $50. You're going to get your artwork minted in their project and airdropped into the crypto back holders. And not but least, you're actually going to get secondary royalties from that as well. So the artwork sale will get you secondary royalties. You need to try and come first, guys. This is a really easy way. Get involved in this contest right now. There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. And hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you on the next video.